Hola! Meron ulit tayong private resort intimate event ngayong araw. Our client just availed for simple buffet setup and customized food selections here at Casa Arabella located in Lalakay, Las Bañas, Laguna. The celebrant is 20 years old and her mom is in abroad at nagbook si client through our Facebook page that is good for 30 persons na. Included sa ating services na may 2 food attendants to assist the buffet and other needs of our client. So here is our simple buffet setup for today's ganap. Wala namang programs, so basically it's dinner with friends and enjoying some cocktails dahil nag-avail din sila ng mobile bar. Ito yung mga food selections na in-avail ni client. For appetizers, meron silang 3-flavor quesadillas. We have cheesy, pesto chicken, and pulled pork flavor. May kasama rin itong homemade salsa and cilantro ranch dip. Lahat ng ito ay matitikman nyo when you visit Spice Jar. Napili din ni client ang DIY taco kit since mga young adults ang mga guests natin today and I'm sure crowd's favorite ito. Nag-add din sila ng mango tapioca for dessert. Meron din silang salad at napili nila ang bestseller na chipotle shrimp and mango salad. So eto yung nasa buffet nila. Meron silang spicy barbecue ribs, flavored wings, garlic parmesan and spicy honey lime. Meron din silang signature pork sisig, beef marsala, cheesy baked mac, at hindi mawawala ang steamed rice. So, if gusto nyo rin ng ganitong services, message nyo lang kami and that's all for today.